Friends, there is an island in Japan where snakes are found in such large numbers that human life is in great danger there. These snakes are poisonous and dangerous to such an extent that the residents there are very badly scared of them. Many people were dying due to the bites and the government was unable to take a concrete action against it. Keeping this problem in mind, the Japanese government took a strange decision which not only surprised this island but the whole country. In order to get rid of the snakes, it planned to release a large number of mongooses on the island. Friends, you must know that the mongoose is considered to be the biggest enemy of the snake. This animal is very agile and has full immunity against poison. The power of the people is important, friends. The Japanese government had taken this decision which looked very satisfying, but how could it be serious about its serious consequences? Friends, do watch this special video till the end. Some rural areas of Japan were victims of a big danger. In 1970, people living on the Emimi-Ushima Island in Japan encountered a dangerous snake called Okinawa hab. The snake was so terrifying and it was so poisonous that if it bit or stung any human or animal on this island, that person would die within a few seconds. The poison of this snake was so strong that if it bit a person, there would be an immediate change in the blood circulation of that person. And the man's blood would have clotted in a few seconds. If we talk about the size of this snake, then it is physically much bigger than other snakes. If this snake had bitten a human, then that person would have suffered severe pain. One has to face headache, vomiting, and sometimes even death. This island of Japan is situated on rural area, therefore only medical help was possible there. Snakes had made the lives of the people there miserable. In 10 years, these snakes killed about 500 people. Their government wanted that this issue should be solved at the basic level, so that the people living there could live comfortably, so that it could live peacefully for a long time. In the first stage, an antidote for the snake's venom was but to keep this place safe, electricity and refrigerator were needed, and because the area was rural, this facility was not available there. Now this issue was getting worse day by day. There was a lot of trouble in solving these issues. The Japanese government tried to improve the ecosystem in 1989. They used the technology to fight against snakes in this island. They decided to release the mongoose because they thought that the mongoose is a very small but very powerful animal which can easily counter the snake's venom, and it can kill the snakes. It will make its prey. In this way, snakes can be easily destroyed by this chain. To test the hunting abilities of the mongoose, that released the mongoose among the snakes. The mongoose is known for its agility, powerful jaws, and excellent immunity. It is famous that it not only kills snakes, but also eats them. Its plan, Japan released 30,000 mongooses in Amami-Ushima Island to eliminate these dangerous snakes. This strategy of Japanese government was very successful. It looked very lively, but it was not exactly what the Japanese government had thought. This type of snake was active during the night, while the mongoose hunted during the day. Thus, these two creatures rarely encountered each other. Even their arrival did not make any visible difference in the decrease in the snake population, but what happened was that the mongooses started killing the snakes. Instead of targeting the other living creatures there, it started targeting the small animals. The Amami rabbits living on this island, which were already victims of climate change, were easily hunted by the mongooses. Unfortunately, these Amami rabbits were found only in this island were found in, and due to hunting of mongooses, their population started decreasing very fast. Friends, to increase your knowledge, let me tell you that this process of reproduction takes place very fast in mongooses. And that is why there are more mongooses present in this island. The population of mongooses reached millions in just a few years. And now, along with snakes, mongooses also started ruling the entire island. The environment and system of this island was already going through a very delicate phase, and now it is facing more devastation. Reached the mouth of the Gulf. And after some time, the Japanese government realized that the strategy they had adopted to release the naval ships on the island was a mistake. That was totally wrong. On the contrary, it was causing losses. Then the Japanese government devised a new plan to deal with the naval forces. Two big questions were staring at this government. One was that the environment of this island was not good, keeping in mind how to improve the system and how to eliminate the increasing number of mongooses. The Japanese government in the year 2000 started a new program to eliminate mongooses by training dogs and a team of expert hunters. A plan was made, and the job of these hunting dogs and humans was to go to every area and corner of the island and catch the mongooses. To stop the increasing number of mongooses, about 20,000 special traps were. This wisdom of the Japanese government was put into practice. It has been successful to a great extent, and the authorities there have caught around 32,000 mongooses in the last 25 years and have eradicated them completely. But friends, the old problem of the people living on this island, that is, the abundance of snakes, still remains. Now, to solve this problem, Japanese scientists came into the field, and then they started their efforts. They tried to find a solution to the venom of this poisonous snake. The work of investigation has been started in various universities of Calicut, Japan, for making a new and feasible antidote against snakes. For this purpose, a team of scientists first of all collected the samples of venom, blood of these snakes. Analyzing their DNA. Through this research, we got information about 60 genes, which are involved in the preparation of poison. Getting concrete information about these genes, treatment can be done on their basis. For example, for cancer and heart diseases, the hope of healing also arose. 12 lakh rabbits, specially ordered from France, were released in this desert, whose name was Rex Hare. Rabbits. These rabbits brought from France proved to be very beneficial for China because these rabbits used to dig the ground and make houses inside the ground. When the rabbits there ate the grass grown in the Sahara, then the excavated ground was covered with feces. Spread their seed on when we went there. Greenery started spreading in every direction. The desert of China, which used to be barren, now had 85% greenery.